Now you've seen how to present an invitation so that a user can select which friends he or she wants to send the invitation to, but I'm going to show you how to send that invitation in 3 additional ways using different FBML constructs. And what I've done, this is the original link that I had before, and now I have 3 more links here, each of which uses a different construct. In this one, the multi-friend selector condensed, instead of having an array of images of my friends, I just have their names and checkboxes. I also have the ability to start typing a name. So instead of wasting the space, as you might put it, with all the images here, I can just select here, move back and forth, and send the invitation from here. If I send the invitation, it's the same procedure that I went through with the uncondensed multi-friend selector. I see what I'm going to send, and I'm going to cancel it here. Let me come back here. So this is the condensed version of multi-friend selector. And let me come back and take a look at exactly what that code looks like. And here is the same section of code that I had previously. The only difference is that in the multi-friend selector, I have used the attribute condensed and set it to true. That's the only difference that I have. Now I can use the multi-friend input method of identifying people to whom I want to send invitations. And I've got that code here, and we'll see how the interface looks when I use the multi-friend input. The page is loading now, and what you'll see is that I just have a field here where I can start typing a name. I have autocomplete for the friends of mine whose names match what I've started to type. So it uses very little space. I can have several names here, and I again have my button that will actually send the invitation to however many people I have typed here. I can remove the names or just keep typing. The same procedure, when I click on sending the invitation, I get a preview of what it is that will be sent. So this is the multi-friend input, and the code here is exactly what I had before, except I'm using the multi-friend input element down here. The final variation is the invitation friend selector, which uses yet another variation on the same interface elements that you've seen. There will be a button where I send the invitation. I can start typing a friend's name here and select from any number of friends whose names match what I've started to type in. And again, I have the button, and with the button I will have the preview of the invitation that will be sent.